Festivities are around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with a sweet treat. So today I'm making a very rich mithai or a dessert which is Til Mawa Burfi. So let's begin. The first step to make this burfi is to roast the sesame seeds, for which I have 1 cup of sesame seeds, and now time to roast. Roast the sesame seeds on low flame for at least a good 7 to 8 minutes. Once the sesame seeds are nicely toasted, remove them in a plate and let them cool down completely. Let's quickly continue and move on to the next step, for which I have here 3/4 cup of mawa. This I've taken ready-made mawa. Roast the mawa for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you wish to use homemade mawa, then instead of 1 cup, take 2 cups of milk and boil it till it thickens. Add in 1 cup of milk. This helps in keeping the burfi nice and moist for a longer period of time. Once the milk comes to a boil, add in 1 cup of milk powder. Cook this till it turns thick. Once the mixture reaches this stage, add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Once the sugar starts to melt, add in a tablespoon of ghee. While this mixture is cooking, let's quickly grind the sesame seeds. Make sure that you do not grind them into a very fine powder, just a slightly coarse powder. Just keep a tablespoon of sesame seeds for garnish. Keep stirring constantly, otherwise it's going to start sticking to the pan. And once it reaches this consistency, I'm going to add in the sesame seed powder. As you can see, this is a very dry, coarse powder. If you try to grind it very finely, it's going to ooze out all the oil. Let's add this. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give this a quick mix. Make sure the flame is on low heat throughout. Once it's mixed properly, immediately remove it from the hot pan. I've greased the tray with some ghee. Spread it into an even layer. Once you've leveled it evenly, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds, some pistachio flakes. Press it so that it sticks properly. While it's hot, make sure you make the cuts. Let the til and mawa burfi cool down for at least a good 3 to 4 hours before you unmold it, and do enjoy it with your family and friends. I'm sure you're going to love it. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.